1, 2, 3. Okay, so what's your name?
Haley.
Haley. What's your age?
How old are you?
3 years old. 3 years old, I suppose is a good girl, okay? You're a good girl today or not good girl?
Yeah.
Small good girl or big?
Big.
How about small? Big. I know it's big. Okay, let me check for you, okay? I want to see if you have any problem, huh? Okay, Haley. Okay, it's good. Stomach is okay. 食嘢都乖喎，飲奶飲得乖唔乖啊？
乖，但係佢食嘢咧，譬如我有陣時攞啲魚啊或者咩，佢唔要有味道嘅。
係啊，冇錯。小朋友咧嗱，記住啦喎，OK，唔好俾咁重味佢，一定要最原味。
冇嘅，佢譬如我揾牛肉煮牛肉碎煮飯咧，落嗰時我話啊咁味落少少啦，
唔落，千祈唔好落，一啲都唔好落。嗱，你 hold 住，要 hold 住先。You know where to put?
Yeah.
Okay, you put for me. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, action. Where to put? Breathe in.
擺喺邊度㗎？擺喺個心度，擺喺度。
One more. 你要 hold 住 this one 咯 ，hold like this. Okay, you hold. Yes. Okay, breathe in. One more. Right here is good. Okay, here. Okay, breathe in. One more. Yeah. Good. How about your back?
阿芝，
Breathe in.
阿芝。
One more. 其實佢係唔識得分配嗰個情緒管理㗎，咁所以咧佢好容易會有一啲好波動嘅情緒㗎。Yes, 媽，我有禮物俾你。你識唔識夾公仔啊？You want to pick the door? You want to try? Okay. So let me. Okay, I want to take your pose first. Okay, give me one hand.
俾一個。
Yeah， 係啦，我同佢把脈，一隻手把脈先。Okay, can we see your tongue? Good. OK， 唔好食咁多生冷嘢，佢食生冷嘢比較多。係啊，寒濕比較多。係啦，佢咧生冷嘢食多咧，佢未必消化到。同埋咧，佢呢個肚仔咧係好多汗喺度啊，汗氣嚟㗎。佢第時會腫啊，浮腫呢隻嚟㗎，所以咧佢唔可以食咁多。係啦，我磨子同埋呢三仔咧，唔好俾佢凍親個肚仔。凍親咧一定要攝。第二咧，同埋佢呢隻咧入風之後咧，成日肚仔痛。一飲乜生冷嘢，食雪糕凍嘢啊，飲乜凍牛奶等等咧，都係唔得嘅。OK。係啊，
佢水唔飲熱水㗎。
係啦，嗱呢個咧要慢慢培養，即係你今日改唔到嘅。佢呢個咧有鼻塞啊，流鼻水，同埋呢度塞咗㗎佢。佢呢個咧鼻屎比較多，但係咧佢鼻屎多之餘咧，佢入邊個分泌物好多㗎佢。OK， 得好OK， 正常得。你要同佢撩個鼻，係啦，可能用個棉籤、棉球同佢撩掃。佢呢個咧，佢嗰個分泌特別犀利。佢呢個特別犀利有兩個原因。第一個原因咧，有可能同空氣中嘅塵佢唔適應有關。如果空氣差嘅地方咧，有可能有呢個可能性。第二個咧就係佢發育啦。如果小朋友發育得快咧，佢好多時候咧係感覺到呢度嘢塞咗，因為佢個鼻好多分泌，其實係佢個成長嘅過程嚟嘅。咁呢個成長過程咧係越多越塞得犀利咧，證明佢嗰個 energy 就犀利，佢有 energy 太多，係啦，咁你要同佢多啲報啲活動啦，做啲體操啊、運動啊，乜都你同佢報晒，釋放晒出嚟就得㗎啦，係啦。
個禮拜仔係追啊，同佢做運動。
冇錯啦，你最好參加啲班，因為佢哋咧係好專門去教啲小朋友去點樣放電啊，點樣去釋放咁樣。咁如果佢揾到一個佢嘅興趣咧，亦都會改良到佢呢種緊張嘅情緒。如果唔係咧，佢太多能源咧，就搞到佢全屋都反晒頸都有份啦。好啦，我哋 let's do the 公仔 ，OK？Let's pick the door. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go!